existing project, but we have got back into it. And as you will see by what you've seen with the before pictures, this is a beautifully landscaped garden that we are going to, well, we're going to turn into a beautiful landscape garden. This has got absolutely everything. So this area here we're standing on is a bark area. It's frozen to bits at the minute, so at the moment we're doing some excavation work. We've done all of this cement work when the temperature was good. So I'm going to show you around this garden. We'll show you the plans. This is going to be a big project. This video is going to be done in separate parts because of the size of the project, essentially. So as you can see, our pathway has been laid up here. We've got 600 by 900 porcelain. This is a concrete base which has been compacted in on a dry concrete mix or a damp concrete mix onto groundwork. And as I think down here, we're levelling off this garden here now with all the soil. We're getting it prepared for turfing area. And we are, you can see down here, we have built some block walls which are going to be nicely rendered. We've banked all of these soil areas. And this is a fantastic plant area here. Solid concrete blocks. That's going to be here for many years to come. Nice and strong. And over here, we have got, you can see this swimming pool area. Now, if you can see what this job was like many years ago, this is the plan that we are working off of. So if you bring it in here, get the ice off it. Look how freezing cold. These are the conditions as a landscaper you've got to deal with. So that's the front garden there. This is what we're going to do out the front. This is a nice new resin driveway. This will be in another video. This is the house here. This is that swimming pool area over there, and we've got these areas over here, and we've just come from this area here, which is a bark area, play area with a solid concrete shed base. The pathway comes down here. These walls, we are currently standing right here, and we are going to create this. So we're going to show you as we go through the project. We've got our tiles stacked out over here. We have got this area sort of ready to go. And this swimming pool area, which if you come over here, the swimming pool has been fully installed, and we've got this beautifully paved porcelain area. Let me take you through to the front, and I'm going to show you a bit of the front, show you what it looks like now. And as I say, this video will get broken up into segments, sort of manageable segments, and it's going to be posted sort of in where we get progress areas. I'm going to show you sort of bits. This is the alleyway at the moment. This area here is going to be, we've got a fire pit area going over here. We've got another smaller sort of sunken area with a bench going around here and down here. This is going to be an absolutely sublime, phenomenal garden, which is going to complement this awesome property. I mean, they've done so much work. This project's been going on for years, and we've been part of it. I've been fortunate enough to be part of it, and it's absolutely fantastic. Really looking forward to seeing the progress on this and getting this. As you can see here, we've got materials for this. Is going to end up being a resin driveway. We've got plants across the windows, the beautiful step area here, and we are going to be extending this driveway out to around here. There's going to be a bit of shape across here. There's going to be lawn here. There's going to be planters, and this resin driveway is really going to complement this home. So look, thanks for watching this video. And as I say, I'm really excited to see the progress and what we're adding to this, this property over time. So see you soon. So, as you can see, the progress over in Surrey, this fantastic project that's coming on. The porcelain tiles are being laid all around the swimming pool. What transformation this is, I'm not going to walk on the night clean tile. We've got a block wall going in here, ready to end up. As you can see here, we've dug a huge pit and the garden has been flooded. It's had these, it's been absolutely saturated, and that is because we have got an old pipe running through with loads of breaks in it. So we've uncovered that. We're going to have to dig all this back out, and we're going to have to change this pipe over for a 300 mil plastic pipe. We're going to have to change that, and then that is going to eliminate the water problem that's gone. As you can see, these beautiful little areas over here that have been installed that are absolutely fantastic. And you can see this garden is really starting to come to shape together now. The Love Island garden, and you know, we're cracking on with it. It's quite a long video. And once we've got all of the paving down, we've got the pipe back in, you'll see sort of part 2 of the video, and we're going to really yeah, we're going to show you part 2 of the video, and there'll probably be part number 3, and then we'll do the complete project. So I hope you agree this is an absolutely phenomenal project that we are cracking on with. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, it all helps. Hope you enjoyed watching.